Carbon Car Systems, guys. Today we're going to be showing you how to update the splash screen or the loading screen for all the new Kenwood units in the 2017 lineup. This is the DDX 9 series, the DMX 7 series, and the DNX navigation units as well. So this is really cool for loading up your vehicle logo, for example. You can use pictures of your car, whatever you need, pictures of your girlfriend, whatever makes you happy. So watch our full DIY video on our YouTube, Carbon Car Systems. And what you're going to need to do is actually use a USB stick. So we've actually plugged one in here. We've got it here. What you need to have is formatted with nothing on it in FAT32 format or FAT format, MS-DOS format. So on the Macs, you're going to go through your applications, utilities, and disk utility and format that. It's very easy to format on a PC as well. If you don't know, maybe ask one of your friends. MS-DOS FAT format. Here we're going to erase everything that's on it and just make sure it is clean before we start. So now you can actually see there's the USB, nothing on it. The next step is go to our website, carboncarsystems.com.au, and in the top right in the search bar here, you can type in change Kenwood start screen image or any one of these words. It will bring you to this blog post, which will have the files you need. What you're going to have to do is download this opening customized file. You're going to right click and download the link file. It will then download a text file. So you can see that here. It is basically a simple script that is going to be required to be put onto the USB. The next step is ensure you have your image that you want to load up ready to go. Now, there is a few image specs and it's important you do this correctly because otherwise it will not work. The format of the file needs to be a bitmap format, so .bmp, 16-bit full color, RGB spectrum or ratio of 565, so that's red, green, blue. Basically, if you save it as a bitmap, it will do that anyway. Size has to be 800 by 480 pixels, and you must name it image1. So for example, it has to be called image1.bmp when you put it on the USB. So when you're on this page, this blog post, you can actually download the Subaru one as an example. So we can download here, save link file to downloads, and you've got the file. Now, all you need to do is copy both of them onto the USB and don't have it zipped up, don't have it in a folder, just straight onto the USB. Ensure if it's like this, it says image1.bmp. So just rename that correctly up here. And that's all you need to do. Now eject it, take it down to your stereo and it can go in any one of the USBs and we're going to show you that now as well. So once you've downloaded those files onto the USB, you're going to plug it into either one of the USBs in the unit, and this will work as mentioned for the DDX 9017, 917WS, also the DMX 7017 and the DNX 9170, which is the nav unit. What you need to do is go into the unit, and the first step is to put it in standby mode. Once you're in standby mode, you need to touch the top left corner twice, bottom left corner twice, top once, bottom once, okay? It'll open up this customization menu, and once you've got that USB in, and it must be in first before you start touching the screen, and then click open customize. It will come up, opening customize, okay. Then you can just reset the unit, and you'll see that it's changed to a new startup screen. This is, we've done the Subaru one on this. So we've just restarted the unit there, guys, and you can see it's now the Subaru logo on the startup screen. Very, very easy to do. Just remember, once you change it, you can't change it back to the original Kenwood unless you create an image file the exact same as the Kenwood was previously. So once you changed it, you can only keep changing it to new files.